Good morning, class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, Lesson 10. Can you read the title? Things in the house. Very good. All right. Okay, let's do a warm-up game called Slam. First, we will review the rooms in the house, okay? So, what room is it? It's a living room. Good job. What room is it? It's a bedroom. Good. What room is this? It's a bathroom. Great. Okay, I am going to give two students fly swatters, okay? Only use these for the game, okay? Follow the teacher's instructions. So what we're going to do is you are going to ask, what room is it? And I will answer. You then need to hit and only hit the correct flashcard, okay? Let's play like this. If I say, living room, you're gonna go living room, okay? And hit the living room flashcard, okay? All right, class, let's look at page 68 in our book. What room is it? It's the bedroom. That's right. Good. What is inside the room? A bed. Okay, good. Two windows. Good. All right. Okay, now let's listen to the audio together and point to the correct picture. All right, class, let's practice our sentences. Look at these flashcards and listen carefully. So, what is it? It's a sofa. Good. Can you find the sofa on page 68? Oh, yes, that's right. It's in the living room. Good. It's a sofa. Good job. Okay, now let's look at part B. We're going to go through each picture. What do we have here? A bed. Good job. We sleep on our bed. That's right. Where do we put our clothes? In the closet. A closet. Good job. Where do we take our bath? A bathtub. That's right. How about where do we go to the bathroom? A toilet. Good job. That's very important. And where do we drink our coffee? A coffee table. Great. Where can we sit and relax in the living room? Yes, on a sofa. A sofa. Good. And where do we put the food? Yes, in a refrigerator. Okay, and then where do we cook food? Yes, in a stove. Good job. Okay, so what we'll do now is we're going to listen carefully and put the correct number next to the picture, okay? All right, let's start. Number 1. It's a sofa. It's a sofa. That's not a sofa, that's a bathtub. What about that? No. Oh, the one next to the refrigerator? That's right. Put number 1 here, a sofa. Good job. Okay, let's do number 2. It's a closet. It's a closet. Is this number 2? No. Okay. Is this number 2? No. This one. Yes. A closet. That's right. So go ahead and write 2. A closet. Good job. Let's go ahead and listen to some more. Let's listen to number 3. Time for some more listen and repeat practice. Okay, let's take a look back at page 68. What room is this? Yes, the bedroom. What's in the bedroom? Great, a closet and a bed. Let's listen to the audio and point to the pictures together. Be sure to point to the pictures in your book, okay? Now, with your partner, point to a picture and ask them a question. Like this. What's in the kitchen? There are chairs in the kitchen. Okay, let's do it. Okay, class, let's look at the chant in part D. All right, so first, What rooms do you see? Bathroom, a living room, a bedroom, a kitchen, okay? What's in the rooms? What's in the bathroom? Yeah, a toilet, good job, all right. How about what's in the living room? A sofa, great. A coffee table, yes. What's in the bedroom? A bed, good. Okay, what's in the kitchen? A refrigerator, great. Okay, so let's go ahead and listen and chant together.
What's in the bathroom? What's in the bathroom?
There's a toilet and a bathtub.
What's in the living room? What's in the living room?
There's a sofa and a coffee table. What's in the bedroom? What's in the bedroom?
There's a closet and a bed.
What's in the kitchen? What's in the kitchen?
There's a stove and a refrigerator.
Okay, class, let's take a look at page 70. Look, we have Kai, Lily, and Smiley. All right, where are they? And what are they doing? And what's in Smiley's attic? Let's go ahead and listen to the audio and find out.
What's your favorite place in your house?
I like the attic.
What's in the attic?
There is a closet, a desk, and a chair.
That sounds boring. Yeah, I think so too.
Come with me. I'll show you.
Wow, this is amazing!
Now it's time for our role play activity. Let's get into groups and act out the story. Great job. All right, now it's time for our song. Before we watch the video together, let's take a look at page 71 and read the song lyrics together. Okay, that sounds boring. What do you do on weekends? I clean my room and I read books. That sounds boring. What do you do on weekends? I go to the park and I skateboard. That sounds exciting.
What do you do on weekends? I clean my room and I read books. That sounds boring. That sounds boring. What do you do on weekends? I go to the park and I skateboard. That sounds exciting. That sounds exciting. What do you do on weekends? I clean my room and I read books. That sounds boring. That sounds boring. What do you do on weekends? I go to the park and I skateboard. That sounds exciting. That sounds exciting.
Okay, now what we are going to do is we're going to split the class into two groups. Group A will sing the first boring part and group B will sing the second exciting part. Then we'll switch. Okay, are you ready? Now it's time for our activity. Spin, ask, and answer. First, let's look at the pictures. Okay, we have the kitchen, bathroom, living room, and bedroom. Good. Okay, what's in the kitchen? What's in the bathroom? What's in the living room? What's in the bedroom? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a paper clip and we're gonna spin the paper clip. And whatever the paper clip lands on in that picture, we're gonna ask and say, oh, like if it lands in the living room, we'll say, what's in the living room? There is a sofa in the living room, right? Or there is a coffee table in the living room. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, class, let's go to page 72. It's time for some English math. So let's take a look at these circles. How many parts of the circle are there in this one? 2, that's right. But how many are colored? Just 1, that's correct. So we call this colored part a half. Say it with me, a half. Good. Now let's take a look at picture 2. How many parts are there? 3, that's right, good. How many are colored here? 1, okay. So we call this one a third. Okay, let's say it one more time. A third, good. Now let's listen and point. Now for part B, let's go ahead and let's look at number 1. This is number 1, okay? What's in this cup? Milk, that's right. But how much milk is there? Yes, there is a quarter of a cup. That's why it says 1/4, okay? A quarter of a cup. Good. Now we are going to listen and we're going to write the correct number for each picture, okay? Let's go ahead and move on to number 2. All right, class, it's time for Unit Link. Okay, so remember, this is a review of Unit 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's keep that in mind. All right, so let's go ahead. What we are going to do is look at the pictures, and we're going to ask some questions about the pictures, like, what does she do? She's a nurse. Or, where is she? She's in her bedroom. Like that. So, how we're going to play this game is we are going to get into pairs, and we have this dice. So if we roll the die and it lands on 1, okay, I can pick from 1. So, okay, I can pick a nurse, or, oh, look at her, she's a pilot, that's awesome. And I can say, what does she do? And my partner can say, she's a pilot. Okay, let's go ahead and try and play this game. Great job, class. Now, let's do part B, listen and answer. So let's listen to number 1. Okay, so number 1, we should look at this. All right. What does he do? Great, that's totally right. He's a firefighter. Great job, class. You did really well today. So your homework for today is workbook pages 72 and 73. Be sure to do them before the next class, okay? I'll be checking. See you next time. Bye.
Let's smile.